right, greetings and salutations, everyone. Hope everyone is doing great today. We're going to go ahead and take a look at VeChain. This is another project that has been out for a while. It is currently ranked number 22. We see here it's been going sideways. We're looking at a volume of 639 million. Circulating supply, 64 billion. Make sure I get that right, 315 million. And there's a total supply of 86 billion. Okay. We're at 74% of the circulating supply. And we can see here from the chart, it's been steadily going up, which is awesome. Now, VeChain, for many of you guys who don't know, VeChain has been out for a while. I have never really read up and done anything on a lot of these projects. Like, I've heard of them, but I never did do any research on them. I never did look them up and see what they were all about. I did hear a lot of news. I think VeChain might be partnered with Walmart. I'm not very sure on that. But let's go ahead and take a look before I start lying. All right, VeChain is a blockchain-powered supply chain platform begun in 2015 and launched in June 2016. VeChain aims to distribute governance and Internet of Things technology to create an ecosystem which solves some of the major problems with supply chain management. That's right, they are, okay, now I remember. The platform uses two in-house tokens, VET and VTHO, which I believe is VThor. Yeah, there it is, VeChain Thor, to manage and create value based on its VeChain Thor public blockchain. The idea is to boost the efficiency, traceability, and transparency of supply chains while reducing costs and placing more control in the hands of individual users. So if there was any token or coin or project that I believe that is going to continue to increase over a long period of time, this would be it. VeChain is a very, I believe that VeChain is a long-term hold, only because I do believe that they can make a lot of partnerships in the organization. So who are the founders? The founders is VeChain is the product creator, co-founder Sunny Liu, an IT executive who was formerly CIO of Louis Vuitton, China. Liu has since become a well-known name within the cryptocurrency industry. He has drawn attention to the ability of blockchain technology to solve transparency, in particular, arguing that it can create trust-free structures which do not suffer from corruption as part of the supply chain. And me personally, I know very well that the supply chain is really off. We have a whole lot of counterfeits out there. And I've actually, cross seas, I've actually bought a few counterfeits. So, it's just one of those things to where, you got to really be careful. Fellow co-founder Jay Zhang, who directs VeChain's global corporate structure, governance, and financial management, previously worked for both Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in the financial and risk management sphere. Having launched in June 2016, VeChain is one of the oldest dedicated blockchain supply chain platforms on the market. I'm very well of that. I remember VeChain. All right. VeChain exists to disrupt traditional supply chain models, an industry which before blockchain had remained little changed over the decades. Using transparent technology with no single point of weakness or control allows for greater security, efficiency, and ease of tracking products in a given supply chain while reducing costs through trustless automation. VeChain's model thus appeals to businesses looking to reduce supply chain friction and give a more transparent impression to clients. I tell you what, who was that? I believe Nike's CEO son was reselling or had his own business and doing something with the shoes. Again, these are problems within a lot of companies is counterfeit and also losing their merchandise. VeChain's official literature notes that its unique proposition lies in dual token setup, among other features. In-house token fees combined with charges for various services to generate operating income for the company, while token holders can engage in activities such as staking, thus providing liquidity in return for rewards. All right. VeChain has two in-house tokens, VeChain and VThor, described as a unique offering, such as offering for such a platform. The dual token system is designed to avoid fee fluctuations and network congestion. The VT is the token used for transactions and other activities, while VeChain Thor provides fee payments and thus functions as a gas token, similar to how gas works for Ethereum transactions. I know many of you guys have asked questions about Holochain and with them having two in-house tokens. It doesn't work that way. They have two separate they have two separate use cases, and it's not they're not going to correlate with each other. So that's completely and totally different. The VeChain and VeChain Thor, and then also, you know, there's a couple of other tokens out there that does the same thing, that has the two token. I can't think of any at the moment, but there is. So VeChain is a proof of stake token, and VeChain itself explains the relatively low computing power is required to achieve network security and maintain user consensus. A separate feature, proof of authority, involves authority masternode operators maintaining the protocol in their own interest according to the rules laid down by parent organization, the VeChain Foundation. All right, cool. I personally like this project. I never did look into it, but I do. All right, so here on the website, we're looking at vechain.org. It has a white paper. Let's go ahead and scroll down. Is there a video here? I do like videos. All right, maybe not. All right, well, we're just gonna skip the video. Application Hunt Foundation Grant Bounty Program news. I love it when websites have like news and stuff like that, so everyone can kind of keeping track of what's going on. We see here bootcamp lively webinar sessions for VeChain community. Application hub is for applications information built on the blockchain. Find comprehensive documentation. Bounty programs. Apply for bounty programs to build more support for your projects. Yeah. V-Research, V-Vote, VThor, VeChain Thor wallet. And you can download the wallet on iOS. That's cool. Sync, VeChain Thor desktop application, and VeChain Explorer, official blockchain explorer. Very interesting. Meta transaction features. That's sorry about that, man. Meta transaction features native to VeChain Thor blockchain's core protocol, such as multi-party payment, multitask transaction, controllable transaction lifecycle, transaction dependency, make the development more user-friendly for enterprise adoption. So this is all great. Multitask. The more information, proof of authority, and then authority masternode operators with the aligned interest in the development of VeChain ecosystem, maintain the VeChain Thor protocol according to the financial governance process, POA, or proof of authority addresses enterprise comment and concerns of inefficient upgrade and waste of energy. All right, so we can clearly see here that it says 101 authority masternodes, which is cool. We can clearly see that this project is going to be around for a while. So very, very solid project. I'm not going to waste any more time just rambling on like I usually do. Thank you guys very much for taking a look at VeChain. with me. It's currently ranked 22. Let's see if it gets up there. And as I always say, please do your own research, and most importantly, stay safe out there. Bye, you guys.